Watch this, guys. I'm a first timer.
Let's go! Yeah!
Yeah.
So she's the first. Let's go. Oh! Whoa! Yo! Let's go. Let's go. Whoa! Yo! Let's see another one. It's heavy, ne? Let's go! Whoa! So far I've been losing.
Watch this, guys. I'm a first timer.
Let's go! Yeah! That's crazy! She keeps doing it. Let's go! Wow, you're actually winning. Show me your technique. Show me your technique. You have to hit it like how? Oh. Whoa! High five! High five! Wow! That's crazy! Wait, bruh. Wait, yeah. Yes, girl. Wow, at least. At least. Yeah, guys. Look at my score. Look at my score. Let's go. The last round. Wow, okay. It worked. Hit those three. Come on. Oh, only one. You tried. Yo, just one. Ish. Let's go. Ah, what girl? This is a disappointment. I still am the highest.
Let's go, Miriam. Like your life depends on it, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's check the score. 46. You're the last one, bruh.
We should have known you're gonna beat us then. That was a disaster for me. I lost. I got what, 47?
You're not far from Auntie Vicky.
Oh!
I'm not a pro. I told you I'm not a pro.
But I got what? I got 47. I got... Okay. I got 47. And then she got 57.
Oh, 50, you know.
At least...
10, so you're supposed to get 100. And then you got almost half.
Ish, I got below average.
It's a pass according to Angel standards.
According to Angie Mukrit, it's a pass. But Vela 47 is a pass.
47, you know, you've even...
Wow. This is what they're comforting me. I lost. At the end of the day, I lost. Because she got 57, you got a distinction, you got above average.
No, I didn't get a distinction.
98 is what?
No, it's not even 98. They wrote that. It's not 98.
Oh.
Minus 20, it's actually 78. Yes. You can't move from 1 to 20. Thinking what they gave you.
Thank you for watching. You are appreciated.